How to close background apps on your Android phone. Here's how. From your home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold for a moment, then release. If you're using button navigation, simply tap the Recent Apps button instead. You'll now see all the apps that are currently running in the background. If you only want to close one app, swipe that app up or sideways until it disappears from the screen. This removes that single app from your recent apps list. If you want to close all background apps at once, scroll through the recent apps until you see the Clear All or Close All option. On my Android phone, there's a cross icon that clears all background apps, so simply tap that icon. Depending on your device, you may see a Clear All or Close All button instead. Once you've cleared the apps, you'll return to the home screen or see that there are no recent apps left. That's it. You've successfully closed background apps on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more quick and easy Android tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.